Introducing Bholanath's Electronic Shooting Target Simulator, a complete deployment-ready outdoor training range solution. From the long-distance view, you can see the multi-lane target line and the overall alignment of target stations. The layout is modular and scalable, designed for structured drills, consistent spacing, and repeatable training sessions. As you can see, each target station is built on rugged, heavy-duty frames, with outdoor-ready enclosures and field cabling routed across the line for stable, service-friendly deployment. A key part of this installation is the moving target rail system. The motorized track enables dynamic target movement drills, and the track-mounted trolley assembly supports controlled, repeatable runs, useful for engagement practice and reaction-based training. Equally important is the site readiness work. You can see the civil construction completed for deployment, including the concrete base and foundations, alignment-ready mounting provisions, and organized routing paths, ensuring stability, durability, and ease of maintenance in the field. Now, coming to the user interface and training side. This system is operated through an instructor console, while each firer has a separate tablet. On the screen, the firer can view a 2D target figure where the exact shot impact is displayed. The system also generates a performance report showing hit and miss, grouping, and zeroing results. Based on this data, detailed shooter-wise analysis can be done to evaluate accuracy, consistency, and training progress. Proven in real-world deployments and engineered for modern marksmanship training, Bholanath's Electronic Shooting Target Simulator is a scalable, field-ready solution for military and law enforcement training, shooting academies, and professional ranges worldwide. Proven in the field and built for repeatable performance. Get in touch with us for a demo, technical discussions, or deployment support.